Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the gear oil on a V6 or V8 Mercury outboard. Mercury recommends this oil be changed about every 100 hours. You're going to need a 10mm socket, a prop wrench, a drain pan, and a gear oil pump. The gear oil that Mercury recommends is the Mercury High Performance 90 weight. To start, we need to remove the prop. Once the prop is removed, we need to trim the motor down to a tucked-in position. Since this is a brand new engine, I'm not going to actually drain the oil out of it, but I will show you the steps to do so. Remove this plug right here, followed by this vent plug right here. Allow the engine sufficient time to drain the oil. Depending on the temperature of the oil, this could take a while. While you're waiting for your gear oil to drain, you should inspect the gaskets on the drain and vent plugs, looking for any signs of damage. When in doubt, just replace them. Now that your gear oil is completely drained, go ahead and take the pump and screw it into this hole right here. Fill the gear case slowly until fluid runs out of this vent plug right here. Once you have good fluid running out of this hole, go ahead and reinstall the plug and gasket. Now that you've put the vent plug back in, while supporting your gear oil, go ahead and reach up and hit the trim button on the motor and trim the motor up. While the motor is trimmed up, go ahead and remove the gear oil pump from the gear case and install the drain plug. Both plugs need to be torqued to 100 inch-pounds. After you've torqued them, go ahead and reinstall the prop. And torque the prop nut to 55 foot-pounds.